Hello everyone, this is Petty Foodie. Today's menu will be fried pork prawn dumpling. Very simple and tasty dish. The fragrance will make you eat non-stop. A dish for the old and the young. And it's cooking time. Here's the ingredients you will need. Let's prepare the ingredients. Finely chop the green onions and Chinese parsley. Score the center of the prawns and remove the intestines. Chop the prawns finely. Put in all the ingredients and condiments together and mix well. Prepare a small plate of water. Lay a piece of wonton skin on your hand and take around 1 spoon of mixture and place it at the center. Dip your finger with water and rub at the side of the wonton skin. Fold from one corner to another and you are done. Another way to make the appearance nice is you can give it a nice intermediate fold. If you cannot finish the mixture, don't worry, make some meatball soup or fry it like a patty. And let the cooking begin. At medium-high heat, add in 2 cups of oil. Put in the skewer or wooden stick. Bubbles will form and ready for frying. Add in the wonton skin and cook until golden brown. It's ready! Let's eat! Thank you very much for watching our video. Do click like if you like the video. Let us know what food you would like to see in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Cheers!